Hi everyone, Caroline here. In this video, I want to talk about this beautiful royal blue crystal, Lapis Lazuli, a crystal which has long been referred to from ancient times as a crystal of the gods, which we are if you really think about it on a higher level. And it's also been used as a symbol of royalty and wealth. The ancients knew what they were talking about when they were working with lapis lazuli. And if you look back to ancient Egypt, you'll see how those people really knew how to adorn themselves with this crystal lapis lazuli. It's such a magnificent crystal. And if you are into lapis lazuli, get excited because today I'm going to share with you crystal combinations for lapis lazuli. Okay? So it's just going to be so good. Anywho, if you're a lapis lazuli crystal lover, let me know in the comment section whether you wear lapis lazuli by itself or whether you use any particular crystal combination with your lapis lazuli, and let me know why. The why is always important in understanding the effects of how people experience different crystals and whether people really get results from working with some specific combinations. And combinations of crystals are really effective, especially in the healing, therapeutic aspect of working with crystals. On other levels, maybe you can mix around crystals and throw them however you want, or pair them however you want and get results. But when you're working with crystals to target a specific illness, especially on the physical, emotional, and mental level, care has to be taken as to what combinations are being used and how different minerals interact, and also on some level the energetic aspect of it. So it's just such a beautiful thing. Anywho, today it's going to be about lapis lazuli crystal combinations. So woohoo! All right, we already know that lapis lazuli is used as a symbol of wealth and prosperity and abundance in the home and also in your energy. It is a powerful symbol for creation of these aspects of life. It's just such a beautiful crystal in that sense. And not only that, lapis lazuli is a high vibration, higher chakra stone, and it's such a great crystal for opening the third eye. And as a matter of fact, a lot of people use lapis lazuli on their third eye to help them open up this third eye that everyone keeps talking about, and also to activate their third eye. And it's also a very great psychic stone. A lot of people use lapis lazuli for those higher spiritual matters of the unseen realm. I tell you, this crystal is such a great crystal. It's so good for the throat chakra. It's also so good for meditation. And it's one of those crystals that is best used with direct skin-to-skin contact, okay? So it's not one of those crystals that you use on your aura or whatever. It has to kind of touch your skin. It's just such a wonderful crystal in so many ways. Man, this crystal will open you up psychically and spiritually in so many ways that if you don't already have it, you might be missing out on something. But I won't let you miss out on anything. I'm looking out for you. I have beautiful pieces of lapis lazuli pendants, heart pendants from Afghanistan. So you can head on over to my website, crystalstock.com. There is a link in the description below to my crystal shop. Support a sister. Grab yourself a piece of beautiful lapis lazuli crystals from Afghanistan. Get yourself one ASAP, okay? All right, let's go. The first lapis lazuli crystal combination is a combination of lapis lazuli and garnet. Red garnet and lapis lazuli. Oh my gosh, I just have to say I love red garnet. It's just such an energizing crystal. But this is not about red garnet. It's about both, right? Okay, the combination of lapis lazuli and red garnet is just such a beautiful, beautiful combination. And this combination was actually used a lot in ancient Egypt. And it was basically used for psychic hearing. So those who want to hear things psychically, if you really want to be able to listen to your inner voice, a good combination to work with would be a combination of lapis lazuli and red garnet, and especially in the form of an earring, you know. I've looked at some of those images of ancient Egypt and how they combined lapis lazuli, and I've seen that a lot of them used lapis lazuli and garnet in their earrings and with a gold setting. So gold, red garnet and lapis lazuli as an earring would be perfect. But otherwise, if you just want to work on your psychic hearing, then just use a combination of red garnet, and lapis lazuli. And let's keep hearing things from every realm, visible and invisible. The second type of lapis lazuli crystal combination is the combination of lapis and carnelian. This combination is used to activate protection. And for me, what protection really means is to introduce light into your being. Because really, you're never really protecting yourself from anything outside of yourself. What you're doing is you bring light into your being. When you're filled with light, you are protected. So that's been my belief over a long period of time, and I've talked about it several times in my videos. So protection is basically introducing more light, and when you introduce more light into your being, that is protection, protection, protection. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay. So lapis lazuli and carnelian activate protection energy. So in those cases, when you're wondering, are you protected or not? Try combining these two crystals together and know that these two crystals are working together and the energy is activated for protection. Okay, lapis and carnelian. The third type of lapis lazuli crystal combination is a combination of lapis lazuli and amethyst. Look at these high vibration crystals coming together. I mean, what do you expect? This combination is powerful spiritual upliftment and is great for the third eye. Need I say more? There's nothing else to say. This is a beautiful combination, lapis lazuli and amethyst, okay? All right, the fourth type of crystal combination is a combination of lapis lazuli and kyanite. Look at this beauty over here. Oh my gosh, this crystal is just something else. Man, I have a history with kyanite. Kyanite is a very, very angelic crystal. And if you don't have kyanite, oh my gosh, this is... Anyway, that's going to be for another video. This combination of lapis lazuli and kyanite is such a great one because kyanite is a crystal that when combined with lapis lazuli, it really helps to expel external forces from encroaching on your life force. So these crystals, when they are merged together, kyanite expels external forces that are trying to really eat at you, and lapis lazuli lifts up your energy. And the combination of the colors working together is just something else. So this combination is also a great protective energy. And of course, if you want to wear them as jewelry, it's best to use them as tumbled pieces because kyanite is a little fragile. So it's better to just get them as tumbled pieces like this one and like this little kyanite blade that I have. I have them also in my crystal store, so you can look them up as well. So you can have a combination of kyanite and lapis lazuli. Hey, right? Okay. All right. Okay. Moving along, the fifth type of lapis lazuli crystal combination is a combination of lapis and labradorite. This crystal combination is a powerful one, especially for prosperity in the home. I have made a video about this and how these two crystals attract prosperity in the home. I'm going to link to it somewhere up here or at the end of this video. You can watch it. It has valuable information that you might find useful, so check it out when you get a chance. And include these two crystal combinations for abundance creation in your life and also as a reflection in your environment. Okay, we gotta keep attracting abundance of good things, right? Yeah. So lapis lazuli and labradorite. Then there's another combination of lapis lazuli, and that is lapis lazuli and selenite. This is a great crystal combination for dreamers. Dreaming is remembering. So if you want to dream and get back into those realms and really uncover a lot about a lot of things, including who you are, this combination can be super useful for dreamers. I know a lot of people don't dream or don't use dreams as a medium, but for me, I am a dreamer, and man, I tell you, it's just so beautiful. So for those who really want to try to experience getting into those realms, try working with a combination of selenite and lapis lazuli. Beautiful combination for dreamers, okay? And then the other combination is a combination of lapis lazuli and turquoise. I really don't have turquoise because I'm a little skittish about it because I just have never really been able to trust that feeling that I'm going to get a genuine piece. You know, once you just have something locked in your head that people are selling fake turquoises out there, So for some reason, I've just never really been attracted to buying those particular crystals. But in ancient Egypt and in ancient times, there's a lot of lapis lazuli and carnelian and turquoise combinations of jewelry everywhere. So because the ancients did it, do it as well. There must have been some wisdom around it. You know what I mean? So you can try out that combination, or you can work with a combination of lapis lazuli and chrysocolla. Chrysocolla is also a copper-based stone. This is a chrysocolla from Chile. I don't know, you can't see the color clearly, but this is also a great combination that is very, very nourishing for your life force. You know what I mean? So this is a great combination for those who feel depleted, you know, and if you feel like your energy is going down and you want to combine lapis lazuli and chrysocolla, there's a lot of beautiful chrysocolla pieces out there that you can use to combine with your lapis lazuli and just get that nourishment, get the blood moving, get your life force moving, you know, get that stagnation out of your system. Let the copper move it, okay? The copper in the crystal, let it move you, okay? So you can be alive. So those are my crystal combinations for lapis lazuli. Let me know in the comment section what you think or what particular crystal combinations you use. I'd like to know. And I also offer personalized one-on-one coaching sessions or consultations. So hit me up at caroline@crystalstock.com. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to get your lapis lazuli pendants from crystalstock.com. Description in the link below. And until next time, I love you guys. Let's stay royal because we truly are gods. All right? Bye.